What's up, everybody? It's been a long journey. It's been fun to put this together with our team. We're on day 12. Christmas is right around the corner. We just want to make sure that you're focused on your consumers having a great experience in your stores the next couple of days. Some of you guys are going to be open on weird hours. Some of you guys have team members that are headed out to meet with their families, spend some holiday time with their loved ones. Most importantly, you want to put an emphasis on your department conditions and your product quality. There's a lot of shopping that happens in the next couple days as consumers try to grab everything they need to finish off the season. Don't forget about them. Make sure you're fresh, make sure you're full, and make sure you're first in line for their business. Thank you to all of our great partners, all of our great customers, and we're excited to do it again in 2022 with all of you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays to all of you that enjoy our content.